Okay, welcome to the new medicine mystery, Demystifying the Confidence Interval. Let's jump right into this explainer because today we're looking at a fascinating story out of City Hospital that really challenges how we process medical data. It's all about the difference between thinking you know the exact answer and actually knowing where the truth lives.
So picture this. Doctors at City Hospital are on the front lines testing a brand new medicine, one that's designed to speed up recovery from pneumonia. They run a trial with exactly 100 patients. Now, as you know, when you're tracking 100 different individuals, you generate an absolute mountain of data, and the team was obviously eager to see the results. And honestly, when those initial results came in, they looked incredible. Patients getting this new medicine recovered an average of 5 days faster. Just think about that for a second. 5 whole days saved. We'd all love for recovery to be as predictable as an egg timer, and seeing a single powerful number like that makes it feel like it really is.
Naturally, a young doctor on the team looks at this and immediately falls into a cognitive trap that, frankly, we all fall into. He assumed this single data point meant absolute certainty for everyone. He actually asked, so this helps everyone recover exactly 5 days faster? It's a totally natural reflex. When our brains see a solid number like 5, we just want to latch onto it as a hard, immovable fact.
But that brings up a really critical question. Does any medical treatment actually work identically for everyone? Of course not. Human bodies are completely chaotic. We've got different genetics, varying immune responses, unique medical histories, the whole shebang. So the idea that a single average number guarantees an identical result for every single human being, yeah, that definitely requires a closer look.
Luckily, a senior doctor on the team was there to quickly tap the brakes on the excitement. Well, not exactly, she pointed out. That's just our best estimate. She completely understood that 5 days wasn't some magical promise. It was literally just the midpoint for those specific 100 patients. A great starting place for sure, but definitely not an ironclad guarantee for patient number 101.
Because right beneath that exciting 5-day average was the real MVP of statistical data, the 95% confidence interval. This showed a range of 3 to 7 days faster. Now, if you're just hunting for one simple answer, this range might seem a bit frustrating. Like, why introduce a whole spectrum when we already have the number 5?
Well, the senior doctor broke it down perfectly. This interval simply means we cannot know the exact benefit down to the minute for every single person. It's impossible. But based on the rigorous evidence from the trial, we are highly confident that the true, real-world improvement lives somewhere inside this specific window, between 3 and 7 days.
And to make this abstract math totally tangible, she used an analogy that is just brilliantly simple. She compared this statistical range to the everyday challenge of finding a specific patient in a sprawling, massive hospital building.
Imagine I tell you, hey, the patient is in room 305. That sounds incredibly precise, right? You know exactly where to go. But because it's so specific, you actually have a really high chance of being completely wrong. I mean, what if they were just moved next door? You have a single exact number, but your chances of actually finding that patient are incredibly fragile. But what if instead I tell you the patient is somewhere on the 3rd floor? Suddenly, you've created a safe range. You might not know the exact bed right away, but you have a vastly better chance of being correct. The confidence interval is exactly like that 3rd floor. It gives us a reliable, secure boundary where the truth is highly likely to be found.